subscribe my channel. Thank you. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you very simple mocktail. Mocktail name is Litchi Cool Breeze. Very simple mocktail you can try. You can take any type of fancy glass. Then after that, you have to pour 10 ml of actually ginger syrup. That's it. You have to pour 10 ml of ginger syrup, and you have to pour 60 to 180 ml of lychee juice. That's it. Very simple mocktail. You can try. Okay, 10 to 15 ml of ginger syrup and like 180 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to squeeze 2 lemon wedges. Okay. After that, simply you have to fill the glass with soda. Okay. See, very refreshment mocktail you can try. After that, you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of grenadine syrup. See, your mocktail is ready with the combination of grenadine syrup, ginger syrup, and lychee juice and soda and fresh lime juice. The mocktail name is Litchi Cool Breeze Mocktail. It's a very fancy mocktail you can try. This is very fancy mocktail. You can try this mocktail. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.